Hello, I'm Cristina Marujos, and you're watching the Daily Market Comment at xm.com by Rafi Boyajian. Markets were mostly in a risk-averse mood on Thursday as hopes of a quick deal between the United States and Mexico over illegal migration were dashed after President Trump tweeted yesterday that not nearly enough progress in the talks is being made. His comments raised the prospect of another prolonged trade conflict for the U.S. as talks with China remain at a standstill and increased the likelihood that 5% tariffs on all Mexican imports will go ahead on June 10th, even as negotiations are set to continue today. However, there is still some optimism that the two sides will be able to reach some sort of an agreement. The Mexican peso fell sharply on the disappointing headlines, and further weighing on the peso were ratings downgrades by Fitch and Moody's. The dollar wasn't having a particularly better time either amid mixed signals about the U.S. economy. The greenback took a big tumble yesterday on a shockingly weak private employment survey by ADP, pointing to a potentially poor jobs report on Friday. However, a much stronger than expected ISM non-manufacturing PMI for May later helped the U.S. currency bounce back. The growing odds that the Fed will be forced to ease monetary policy later this year have been a big boost for gold. The precious metal surged to a 3.5-month high. In contrast, oil prices were struggling near 4.5-month lows as the weakening global growth backdrop weighed on the demand outlook. The European Central Bank will announce its latest decision today at 11:45 a.m. GMT, followed by President Mario Draghi's press conference at 12:30. No change in policy is expected, but the ECB will probably outline the full details of its previously announced TLTRO III program. It's also possible the central bank could adjust its forward guidance on interest rates if its latest economic projections contain sharp downward revisions. But investors will mainly be watching for clues from Draghi that the ECB stands ready to increase stimulus should growth and inflation in the euro area do not pick up in the near future. The euro faces an immediate risk from a dovish Draghi, which threatens to undo the currency's modest rebound versus the dollar over the past week. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thank you for watching us at xm.com.